Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch of a girl. First, lightly draw a circle for the head, then add a vertical line down the center for symmetry and a horizontal line across for the eyes. Next, connect the jawline and neck to the head circle, keeping your lines very light. This foundational step is crucial for establishing the correct proportions before adding details. Now, let's add the facial features. Place the eyes on the horizontal line, making sure they are evenly spaced. Sketch the nose using simple shapes, positioning it roughly halfway between the eyes and the chin. Then, draw the mouth below the nose, paying attention to its width. Finally, add the ears, aligning their tops with the eyes and their bottoms with the nose. Keep these initial lines soft. Next, we'll focus on the hair and refining your sketch. Begin by outlining the desired hairstyle, thinking about its volume and how it flows around the head. Then, add smaller details like eyebrows, eyelashes, and pupils to bring the face to life. Carefully refine the contours of the face, smoothing out any rough edges. Finally, gently erase all the initial guidelines, leaving only your clean sketch. For the final touches, let's add some shading to give your sketch depth and dimension. Use light shading to define the planes of the face and hair, then gradually build up darker tones for shadows, especially under the chin and around the eyes. Add subtle highlights to areas like the nose and cheekbones for contrast. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Finally, take a moment to review your entire sketch for any last adjustments or improvements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.